Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, hope you are fine. Today we are going to discuss about salts. So far we have discussed acids and bases. Today we will discuss salts. We have seen that when acids and bases they react together, they give another class of compounds which are called salts. When an acid reacts with a base, then a salt and water are formed. This is an example of a neutralization reaction. A salt, now we'll define a salt, is a compound formed from an acid from an acid by the replacement of the hydrogen by the replacement of the hydrogen in the acid by a metal by a metal. So we can say that when the hydrogen atom present in an acid is replaced by a metal, if is replaced by a metal, we get salt. We get a compound that is called salt. For example, if we take the case of an acid, if we take an example of an acid, a hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric. If we replace the hydrogen of this acid by a metal, say sodium, we get NaCl, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. We get sodium chloride. This sodium chloride, it is a salt. This is a salt. In some salts, hydrogen of an acid, hydrogen of an acid, it is replaced by an ammonium group, as in the case of ammonium chloride. When this is replaced by NH4 positive, we get NH4Cl. It is not a metal, ammonium group. The best known salt is sodium chloride. It is commonly known as common salt. It is commonly known as salts. In addition to the sodium chloride, we have a large number of other salts too. So we can say that salts are formed. Salts hasa chh bana yel acid react kara with bases. When acids react with bases, when they react with base, in a way we can say that a salt has two parents. Salt has two parents. It has two parents, an acid and a base. Acid plus base. So the name of a salt consists of two parts. You see, name of a salt consists of two parts. It consists of two parts. The first part of the name of salt, as it derives kara, is derived from the name of base. From the name of base. And second part is derived from the acid. For example, the name of a salt, sodium chloride, comes from sodium hydroxide base and hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. ठीक. The salts of hydrochloric acid. The salts of hydrochloric acid. They are called chloride salts. The salts of sulfuric acid. They are called sulfate salts. The salts of nitric acid HNO3, they are called nitrate salts. Nitrate salts. ठीक. यहाँ salts of carbonic acid, they are called carbonates. They are called carbonates. यहाँ salts of acetic acid, they are called acetate. They are called estates. They are called estates. They are called estates. Salts, they are usually solids. Salts are usually solids. They have high melting and boiling points. They have high melting and boiling points. Salts, they are soluble in water. Soluble in water. Soluble in water. The salts, they conduct electricity in the semi-solid state or in the solution state. Those salts are electrolytes. Salts, they are ionic compounds. Ionic compounds.